My name's Christina. I came here because I needed to have cosmetic treatment and needed extensive work on my smile because I previously had bad experience by someone doing work on my teeth and making a really bad job of it, which led to ending up with a plate with teeth, which didn't go down very well because I'd gone through the trauma of losing the teeth through bad workmanship, and I was very stressed out, and I came here because I'd seen advertisements, and I was welcomed with a smile, and they were so friendly when I arrived that I knew that this was the right place. And they were very, very friendly. I met Tony and he was fantastic. I did initially want to have implants. They did extensive X-rays and CTs to find out whether it would be possible to have the work done. Unfortunately, because of the bad experience I'd had, it was not possible because the previous dentist had left hardly any bone. You know, it was very, very depressing at the time, but they kept me full of hope, and they showed me that they could go in another area where I'd be able to have a bridge and some fascias on, and it's taken quite a while to get to that point, but I can't thank them enough. They're absolutely brilliant, and I would recommend anybody not to go through what I went through and to get experience advice. I had a denture at another dentist after the bad experience I'd had, but they too had taken another tooth out, which left me with this big gap, and I was very distraught about, and they put in a denture, which the first one was really bad, so I had to then have a second one, which cost a lot more money, which still didn't fit right, and this left me with no smile, no confidence whatsoever, feeling very low, and today now I feel so like a new woman. I could smile, I could talk to people without having to put my hand up to my mouth. You know, it's not something that I'd wish on anybody to have to go through. I would say to people, go out to the dentist and find advice and get the treatment and don't suffer. I would say there is help out there. Go to dentist and ask them their advice, but pick the right dentist. Yes, dental perfection, yeah. Because you can't go wrong. No. Oh, it was the best. They were so professional, kind, and they made you feel so welcome, at ease, you know, very comfortable to talk to. I was just so at ease. They were really professional, and Tony was fantastic, and his assistants were brilliant as well. After having all the treatment and feeling the way I do, I would definitely recommend Dental Perfection to family, friends, anybody that, you know, I was talking to and they were talking about their situation with their teeth. I would, you know, tell them to come to Dental Perfection. If I was speaking to somebody and they were telling me, you know, that they'd had problems with their dentures, I would definitely explain, you know, Dental Perfection would be the place to go. because of the past experience that I've had and the trauma I went through, and it would be highly recommended for anybody in that situation where they needed extensive denture treatment. Tony was very experienced, professional, and explained in great detail what he would be able to do and what was to be expected, and every process step of the way. So I felt so confident in him here at Dental Perfection, and I just left it in his professional hands. I just knew that he would be able to do the work.